उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाये तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की जय।
Just read the four-way test and request all of you to repeat it. Of the things we say or do,
Of the things we say or do,
is it the truth?
is it the truth?
Will it build goodwill and better friendships?
Will it be good and better?
Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Is it fair to all?
Mike.
Is it fair to all concerned?
Sorry, I repeat it.
It's all right.
Of the things we think, say or do,
All the things we say or do.
is it fair?
Is it fair? Is it the truth?
Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned?
Is it fair to all concerned?
Will it build goodwill and better friendships?
Will it be good and better?
Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Will it be beneficial to all?
Sorry.
Once quickly, so that we all are on the same page. In the last 2 months, we have done 17 projects and 7 meetings of various formats. Weekly meetings, club assemblies, trust meetings, all of that. 1st September, we had our second club assembly and we announced B.S. Kumar as our president-elect for the year 25-26. He's not here, but let's all clap for him. So he's our president for next year, 25-26. We've also rolled out PN form, president nominee form on 1st of September. Email would have gone from our club secretary Anubha Kharabe. So requesting whosoever is interested to fill the form. Last date is 30th. Last date for filling the nomination form is 30th September. So expecting more people to come up to take this role. Raila is being held in Lonavala between yesterday and today, and this is being conducted by Vittal Wadi Club, and we have co-sponsored as a silver sponsor. Also on 18th, this is a very important one, and Dr. Lucky is here and his club along with Thane Lake City. So you are from Thane Premium, right? And Thane Lake City. So these two are the host clubs for Rashtriya Hindi Divas celebration, which is being conducted on 18th at Kashinath Khanekar Mini Auditorium. So approximately 23 clubs have co-hosted and we are one of them. Anyone interested in attending can let me know. We can pass on the invite to any one of you who is interested. So there is a very interesting play which is being conducted on 18th after 6:30. I think 6:30 on it starts, and this is Mudrika Rahasya. Mudrika Rahasya, written by Sharad Joshi. So very interesting. And then I think. The message is that deliciously curated Hindi cuisine is there. So anyone interested can go and this Wednesday and enjoy the festivities. Then on 21st we have a fireside chat, talk show, and Nation Builder Award is on 22nd. Our chief guest will be Honorable K.P. Raghuvanshi ji for this talk show and Nation Builder Award. Amrit Mahotsav talks on drug addiction, mobile addiction, good touch, bad touch, menstrual hygiene, Samvidhan is also being organized by our Amrit Mahotsav chairman, Anubha Kharabe, in 3 schools. So one round of visit has already happened, yet to be confirmed for that, and that is going to happen on 25th, which is a Wednesday. Tentatively, right? Tentatively. Then the next event which is there on the cards is District TRF on 28th. Please join in as many numbers as you can, all of you. And on 29th, we are also talking to Pune downtown for our prosthetic arms. So we have certain amounts remaining, 60,000 from last year. So what we'll do, we'll not organize a camp this year here. We will just go to Pune downtown, that center which they organize, and we will give away the prosthetic arms to them. So I think that's all for September. Also, just quickly, we are also organizing pre-pets, which is happening on 13th, 14th, 15th of November. A lot of background work is happening. The convener for which is rotating Devendra Kumar, and we had a meeting yesterday also. So soon we will, require many volunteers because this is a district event, and we will be conducting it very nicely. Hopefully, we are very confident about it. Jayant are here. So no, Jayant is not here. So Jayant is traveling overseas, and he had requested for flags to be exchanged. So I wanted him to kind of speak for 2 minutes where he is traveling and what he intends to do. But regardless, whenever he comes in, that we will do. And now I would request Chairman of Amrit Mahotsav, Project Anubhav Kharabe, to speak a little bit about Amrit Mahotsav, because today we are going to launch Amrit Mahotsav program with Dr. Lucky Prasad being here, with CPR and COL. And Dr. Supriya Lad is also there. So firstly, I would want to welcome both of them. Let's clap for Dr. Lucky Prasad and Dr.
Good morning, everyone. As you know, that this is the 75th. This is the 75th Republic Year, Independence Year for our country, and
There's an echo.
so we have organized many awareness talks from districts. Also, many clubs are organizing, and we have leaders like this who give awareness talks on many subjects. The topics are like mental health, good touch, bad touch, then addictions, de-addictions of drugs and mobile, whatever the generation is facing this. This time we are organizing these awareness talks. So the first talk we are launching today is the calls and CPR in that series, and these talks will be happening in schools, in TMC schools as well. And we are organizing in colleges. We are in talks with everyone. So whoever confirms, we are organizing these. Cervical cancer is also on our board. This will be done by many leaders again from the district, and we are creating awareness actually. Majorly, we want to create awareness because in school, children are facing a moreover like in mobile and drug addiction. We know in our estate also it's happening so much. So I'm looking in the vicinity, like HFS, New Horizon, Orchid, Universal. We are touch basing these schools so that awareness is created here much as we are from Hiranandani estate. So I'm trying my best. I need your support, and whenever we are doing, we'll be putting it in the group, and your support is needed. So thank you so much. So today I would invite Ravi to introduce our speakers for calls and CPR. Thank you so much.
ठीक है।
हाँ, ये भी लेके करनी है ना।
इससे पहले कि मैं शुरुआत करूं, डॉक्टर साहब आवाज आएगा बुलंद, चिंता मत। कौन नहीं पहचानता है? ऐसा कोई नहीं, करेक्ट है। सभी जानते हैं, सब पहचानते हैं। इनका इंट्रोडक्शन जरूरी है। कैसे जानते हैं? हम कंधे से कंधा मिलाते हैं, हम गले लगते हैं, तो इनको क्या बोला जाता है? घर की मुर्गी दाल। बट इनका इतना लंबा है कि अभी इसके बाद अगर मैं बोलूं तो आप तो घर की मुर्गी को साइड पे करेंगे। Yes, he has achieved something in life, and that is an example. So I will go because he has two different. I'll say one is Rotary life and one is his medical life. So there are two different aspects to his life, and they're both different, and he has done exceedingly well in life. हिंदी दिवस की बात करें, 23 साल से ये पीडियाट्रिक सर्जन है और रैंक भी लिखा हुआ है 25वां। इज ए TEDx स्पीकर, आप जानते हैं, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर, पर्सनल काउंसलर, बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर, certified A grade in ancient Indian architecture. So this is what he does sometimes when he gives presentations. So this is another different aspect of his that he has had beyond his whatever as a doctor he does. एंटी ड्रग्स कैंपेनर, दिस वर्ड तो आपको ही बोलना पड़ेगा सर, ओनोमैस्टोलॉजिस्ट, बेटी डॉक्टर को थोड़ा बहुत बताना। थीम इवेंट्स एंड कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइजर, दैट वी नो वेरी वेल, DLA was part of it, concept creator, editor, so best bulletin का अवार्ड भी जीत चुके हैं ये। हाँ, Himalayan trekker, so see, there's so many diverse activities which he does, so we have to really emulate him for all this.
You have done a presentation or?
Yes, that's what, and he has various topics which he has worked for years together and made that presentation. So that effort also has to be recognized. Voracious reader, तो बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Play script writer. So I think many of the people who would have been in the part of the prepets, so he has helped many of them in that. Whatever play is made by the teams, he has, I think you have been written down, right? So you see, he's written on the concept itself. बताइए क्या है? Serious philatelist. Stamps collection. Numismatist. Coin collector. Traveler who is not a tourist. Yoga practitioner. Vipassana practitioner. Osho lover. Major cinephilia. ये क्या है सर, ये बताइए आप पहले.
Study of cinema in detail.
Okay, one more. अब सर्जरी में आ जाते हैं. So he has won the prestigious Times of India Young Achiever Award in Pediatric Surgery. छोटा featured in prestigious India Today magazine and the Outlook. Dynamic Social Leader Award 2022. That's given by the government of Maharashtra. He's founder of Breast Milk Bank. That's at Rajiv Gandhi Medical College. First India's 10th breast milk bank, and there's a cost also involved in that. Founder of Pediatric Surgery Project Sutta Pran. Founder of Free Pediatric Cardiac Surgeries Program. Gave 11,000 plus free vaccines. Rotarian since 22 years. Member of RC Thane Premium. This is very important. 100% attendance. That is there. We try, but we miss out. Has invited 32 new members in Rotary in last 22 years. Chief guest for 9 Rotary club installations. They're outside state basically. Addressed 4 district conferences, keynote speaker. This is also outside. 9 DTAs. 9 DTAs for 4 districts. Personally led a global grant of $35,000. थोड़ा सा पढ़ लीजिए सर, प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा, हमें भी मिलता है. Chief editor of GML in 09, Chief editor of Club Bulletin for 11 years. He was president 2011-12. ये मुझे. Organized his installation in 5-star beach resort in Goa. We are waiting. District Secretary 1920, District Training Facilitator DLF 24-25, Major Donor Level 1, Surgical Achievements. So basically, you realize that his profession is a surgeon. Besides that, which I always tell to people, कोई भी आता है रोटरी में मैं बार-बार दोहराता हूँ ये बात. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं, मैं रोटरी ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकता, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं. तो मैं बोलता हूँ ये काम करिए आप क्लब में आके डॉक्टर्स को देखिए. The largest profession in Rotary is doctors, and all of them have their own hospitals. They attend OPDs. It's not that they go and miss their OPDs. They don't do that, and they do all this. That's something great, and that calls for a clap for it. In fact, for all the doctors who are part of the Rotary family. So he's operated the rarest case of fetus in situ. So the baby inside that. So he has done that. Operated on a life-threatening pseudo-aneurysm. Largest ovarian cyst in Indian smallest patient, largest appendix in children in India. I mean, it's
Never ending.
It's never ending. kind of work he has done, and that really calls for a clap that he has found time out of all this.
Yes, yes.
Come.
That's important.
सभी हम बोलते हैं घर गले मिलते हैं कंधा मिलाते हैं करके मिलाते हैं।
I'll just highlight about this fetus in fetu means. Fetus in fetu means this was a 2-month-old baby from Bhiwandi, and she had a tummy which was like a football. तो गैस हो गया ऐसा कुछ चल रहा था, and there was actually one more dead baby inside her. So it is fetus in fetu. Fetus inside a fetus. So they were twins actually, and the division which happens on day 1, if you are having twins, so it is a 50-50% division. But here it happened 10 and 90%. So the 10% got engulfed in 90%. So that baby formed completely, total, even nails, everything was there. That baby's weight was 3.8 kilos. And after surgery, it decreased by 1.2 kilos because the baby's weight was the inside baby weight was 1.2 kilos. So it is known as fetus in fetu.
Both would survive?
No, that child was dead inside, but this child is now 12 years old.
So I'll just say, one call and they said yes. So I'm very grateful. Thank you so much, Doctor.
That's the big part.
And before we, go to the next speaker, Dr. Supriya Lat, I want to welcome all the spouses who are present there, children. Our Honorable President America also here with us. Welcome all of you. Happy Onam. Okay, we'll go to Dr. Supriya Lat.
Today I come to know that you're a so my daughter is also a pathologist. So this is Dr. Supriya Lat Chinchodkar, practicing consultant pathologist, that's her profession. Thalassemia awareness crusader, menstrual milk crusader, Kathak Visharad, Rupali Deshmukh. University topper, gold medalist, cook, orator, painter, fitness freak, Surya Namaskar exponent. Also a local editor, choreographer. Of course, she's a Rotarian. So she's a proprietor and consultant pathologist at Southgest Diagnostic Center. It's a ISO certified laboratory. Rotarian since 2011. 6th president of Rotary Club of Thane Premium. Won award for most impactful club in Smart Year 2019-20. That's number 10. Yes. Worked in district as Avenue Chair, District Interact Chair, and Thalassemia now. Led formation of 3 Interact clubs and 1 Rotary club in Thane Premium. Editor of Rotary Bulletin for 4 years. She has given 60 talks on awareness of thalassemia, menstrual hygiene, and washing and dances of India. I think you need to come on this.
I've already discussed with Anupam, we'll be doing it.
You are most welcome. So that's Dr. Supriya Lat.
Thank you so much.
We'll get started now with the CPR training. Over to you, Dr. Lucky and Dr. Supriya.
This is a very important topic which we may face in our life, and at that time the situation should not be so that the person is collapsed in front of me and I am not able to do anything. Yes, there is a possibility that we may not give the good result, but at least the satisfaction that I have tried to save him, that is very important. And that trying to save is possible only if we learn the technique. It's very simple technique. So let us start with the basic understanding. First 10 minutes I will just introduce you to what is to be expected. Then we will do hands-on training each one of us. We have 2 dummies with us and each one will be taught individually how to do it. Okay? So it is a CPR. CPR is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Cardio means heart. Pulmonary means lungs. Resuscitation means to revive, to give birth, to give life into something. Something is gone wrong, totally dumped up. Now we are regenerating it, and that is known as a resuscitation. So it is a cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay? Now the method is known as COLS, COLS, compression only life support. The compression only but this is compression only, which is giving a life support. बस इतना ही है उसमें. Now you must have heard something about giving mouth-to-mouth respiration. So there is a difference between this method and the method. In addition to compression, we can give a mouth-to-mouth breathing. But long-term studies have now proven this, that the lives which are saved only with COLS is much more than the lives which are saved with COLS in addition to giving mouth-to-mouth breathing. It means mouth-to-mouth breathing, if it is not given, it is fine. But COLS has to be done because the results are much better in terms of saving lives. Alright? So that is the method we will try to do it. Now, what happens when a person collapses? The main confusion is whether he is dead or he is having a heart attack. How to differentiate between these two? The person of heart attack also collapses down. Now whether he is in a heart attack and not dead, or it is death due to any other cause other than heart attack also. How to know this? That is the most crucial thing as a lay person we fail to recognize, because that situation is a panic situation. Understand this. Particularly if your known one is collapsing. So it is not easy to remember these things at that time. Suppose your husband, your wife, your father, grandfather or any brother known to you, it is not at all easy. It is very easy to listen like this, but whose one mind gets blocked. First and foremost thing is to confirm death. And how to confirm death? There are three things to be understood. First, you will tap him and ask.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
So there
आप
is.
मुझे सुन सकते हो?
So there is no voice coming out. Possibility of death. Now suppose he grows. Is it dead? No. So इतना छोटा चीज है लेकिन वो panic में we may miss out. Even if there is a groan, it means life is there. COLS cannot be done. Are you getting it? Therefore it is very important. So first thing is there is no voice coming out. Second, there will be no movement. Total like a log of wood, that person will be like this, collapsed. तो आप कितना भी shake करो, there is no movement. And third, you have to check the respiration. कि breathing हो रहा है. Now breathing can be assessed only by seeing the blast or feeling the blast from the nose. Now you take your fingers like this and keep it in front of your nose. करो. Or blast. Feel it. Okay. Now you turn your fingers like this and now feel the blast. करिए सब. करिए. करेंगे तो ही समझेगा. नहीं तो ध्यान में नहीं. Right now. Which is better? On the back. Why it is better here to feel the breath? Because the nerve sensations are more here. The nerve supply is more on this side. Therefore, it is so. Clear? So, हरदम जो देखना है how to see.
You have to check it this way.
See this. So this
On
is
either
the.
sides.
So now there are three things to confirm whether the person is dead. One,
Hello. क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हो? Hello.
two, no movement of the body. Three,
अरे सांस भी नहीं चल रही है.
clear?
Not breathing.
It means the person is dead. You can understand that there is absolutely no movement. Absolutely, माने even finger movement is not there. If finger movement भी आती है, it means the person is not dead. You cannot do COLS, otherwise you will be causing death because of COLS. अरे important है ना, you are compressing the chest. इतना easy थोड़ी है. तो dead person पे ही करना है. ये ख्याल रखना है. Panic situation will not allow you to think clearly. Therefore, these small baby steps are very, very important. Clear? यहाँ तक everyone is with me? Yes.
What is the time interval like?
हाँ, we are coming to it. So this is the confirmation. Now, once you know this person is dead, we have to start COLS within 3 minutes of the death time. Why 3 minutes? Because it is known as the golden time. 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes, if the blood supply reaches the brain, there is some possibility that the person may be revived. After 3 minutes, the brain death starts, and so it can be an irreversible thing which will happen. Why the brain is so important? Because the brain function controls every other, even the heartbeats. Now, brain needs glucose. The main khurak of brain is glucose. If you are taking 100 grams of glucose in whatever form, 80 grams, 75 grams is needed by the brain alone. So we are eating, इसलिए we feel good after hypoglycemia. थोड़ा डर लगता है, and you eat some मीठा, so you feel good because instantly that brain absorbs it and it is needed there, and you feel good about it. So the whole purpose is that energy supplied by glucose to the brain function has to be supplied within 3 minutes. ये इसका purpose है. How it will be supplied? Only by blood flow. How will the blood flow come? Only by compression of the heart. Because on its own it is not beating. So you have to compress it and see that the blood flows to the brain so that the glucose is supplied and so the function is maintained. All this has to be thought of in spite of the panic within 3 minutes. Clear, Yada? Okay. Now there is a situation where there is a fire and this person has collapsed. Or there is a situation where there is a head-on accident, he has been thrown out, hit here and he has collapsed. या electric shock हो गया है and he has collapsed. Commonest situations are these. Or heart attack and finally he has died. The first thing is, the first step is shift him to a place of safety. तो यहाँ पे समझो electric wire is there. What to do? खींच के 3-4-6 feet लेके बाहर लेके आना है. Where not only this person will be safe, whom you will be trying it, but you have to be safe.
Our own safety is also important.
Suppose there is a fire here. अब मैं थोड़ा सा खींच के यहाँ पे if I start my COLS, fire will come within 5 minutes, 3 minutes. There is no point on it. I will be missing out the most vital, crucial time. है ना? So I have to understand that thing. It has to be well within the safe range, whatever it is. Second, most likely the person will be on the ground, on the floor. Suppose he is dead on the bed for some reason, you have to shift him on the floor. Why? Because the bed is naram. There is no hard surface beneath. It has to be firm and hard beneath. That is the second point. Third point is confirmation of death. And immediately after that will be, you will call for help. Now how to call for help?
So now this person has collapsed and trying to check whether he hello क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हो? अरे ये तो एकदम ही stiff हो गया है, सांसें भी नहीं चल रही. So whoever is around me, I'll immediately shout out, hello madam, please जरा 108 को फोन करो, immediately फोन करो, यहाँ पे एक आदमी collapse हुआ है, और उनको फोन करके बोलो कि एक 35-year-old around 35-year-old आदमी गिरा हुआ है, यहाँ हिरनरानी इंस्टीट्यूट के क्लब हाउस के बाहर के रोड पे ऑफ द मेन हाईवे एंड यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ 2 लोग हैं जो कोशिश करके इसको रिवाइव कर रहे हैं, लेकिन तुरंत उनको बोलना कि प्लीज सेंड हेल्प. और मैडम उन्होंने वहां से जब आपको कहा फोन रख दो तभी आप फोन डिस्कनेक्ट करो.
They will repeat the things. You will get irritated because you are in a panic state. अरे यार बोल दिया ना तेरे को. Don't do that because they have to understand it clearly so that they send the person at the right spot. Okay, so what needs to be told? First is the age of the patient. Then second, exact address. Extremely important. Panic में होता नहीं है. Third,
How many people are there?
how many? भाई 2 लोग हैं जो CPR देने वाले हैं. तो they know कि जल्दी पहुंचना है.
हम लोग हैं, जल्दी आना है.
ठीक है. Fourth, हाँ.
Ask the person who is there trained. Okay, 108 people are trained, so they will listen to you and they will repeat what you have said.
Don't
and
get-
then they will tell you, okay, I am behind. You are saying that there is a person who has fallen, 35-year-old outside Hiranani, and we will send the ambulance there. Now you can please keep the phone. They will tell you this. Because they're trained.
Don't get irritated. You are in a panic state. They will repeat, but you know beforehand only that they will repeat. They have been trained that way. क्योंकि कई बार mistakes हुई हैं, then the blame comes from them कि तुम पहुंचे ही नहीं हो time. Because the
There can be a possibility that there is no one to help also, right?
So then you yourself have
but then you have to give your best
if
try.
I'm alone and
There is
if
no
it
option.
collapsed and I don't see anything,
So whatever
I
is
actually have to
possible-
pick up my phone and call and say the same thing and say that I'm alone, I need help. Please send someone quickly. Jaldi
108 is the number?
Yes.
108 is the number to remember.
ठीक है?
This goes to which place? Are they only?
Yeah. They have their system.
Everywhere.
They will come immediately.
It's
There is
a
a good
private
system going on.
emergency ambulance.
Generally, कितना होता है response time, sir?
No, that depends. That we cannot gauge, but at least there is a response. Now Indian standard time है, उसमें जो भी चलेगा मालूम नहीं.
Hopefully it's like instant.
But we have that system only with us. There is no other way.
But mostly हो जाता है.
नहीं होता है.
हो ही जाता है.
होता है. उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है कि आपने नहीं हो.
इसीलिए you have to tell your area.
Area
The moment you can be corrected.
the problem is
then
address.
Ambulance service will come.
The problem is correct address. वो नहीं आता. तो panic situation की वजह से होता है. ठीक है? So there are 4 steps. Again, quickly we repeat. We pull the patient, the collapsed person in a safe area. If he or she is on the bed, we down on the floor. Then third, we check whether the person is dead or not. Then fourth is we call for help 108 with the instruction. And then immediately, all this is within 3 minutes. And then we start the COLS.
अगर electric shock से है, then we have to see that current is not all, otherwise you will
वो सेफ एरिया में आ गए ना सर हम तो.
will also be affected.
वो सेफ एरिया में आ गए हम, है ना? Now we start the COLS.
Just before we have to ensure that the person is dead.
हाँ. नहीं तो जिंदा आदमी को कैसे करोगे आप? आपकी मैं छाती दबाओ, if I compress your chest, I will break your chest. So I good question. That is a good hesitancy which happens.
So basically
Because-
the word should not be dead, the word should be not responding.
And we don't have to
Because
ensure.
dead बोला तो
We have to
डर
make sure as a layman.
Not responding is like.
Not responding. ऐसा
क्योंकि
देखिए, you are in a state of panic, particularly if the person is known to you. At that time, these baby steps only help. आवाज आ रही क्या, उंगली हिल रही क्या, थोड़ा भी शिफ्ट ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा भी आवाज आया तो डोंट डू इट. आता है ना कितने बार ऐसा ग्रोनिंग थोड़ा सा ऐसा. So this you cannot do it because body is trying to stay alive on its own. ठीक है ना?
That means the blood supply to the head is on.
Heart is beating at
The
least.
breathing is on, it is definitely on. The breathing is the whole thing.
Now, one small. As a layman, we don't know whether they have had internal injury.
नहीं वो सोचना नहीं है
वो
उस वक्त.
सोचना नहीं है उस वक्त. उस वक्त
अगर
reviving
मल्टी
is-
कहीं कुछ भी है, तुम्हारे सामने person looks dead, you are giving a chance. That's all.
So,
बस.
ऐसा हम आपको एक केस बना दें.
नहीं, वो सोचा तो करना मत. और क्या होगा? हाँ. नहीं मैं इतना सिचुएशन आती नहीं है. लाइफ में एक भी सिचुएशन मिल भी गया तो बहुत हो गया.
सही बात.
है ना? एंड उस वक्त यू शुड नॉट फील हेल्पलेस कि हाँ मैं मीटिंग में जाता सीख लेता तो मैं हो जाता. मैं मीटिंग में आया नहीं था रह गया. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके नाउ वी स्टार्ट COLS. COLS में द होल फंडा इज वेरी क्लियर. नहीं पहले यहाँ See, this is the chest. Now take your fingers and put it in the upper abdomen. दो उंगलियां.
Center पे.
No, above the umbilicus. Go shift थोड़ा slide करो ऊपर. You will feel a notch. Madam, do this. यहाँ पे करिए. करिए sir, please do it. मोबाइल पे करिए. सीख लो ना, सिखा रहे हो. Come on.
Just below the rib.
Everyone.
Just below the
See,
rib.
this is the notch.
Now you come here and you will feel a bony notch.
Yeah.
This is the end of the breastbone. This is the central breastbone. ऐसा यहाँ पे करो. Feel that ऐसा उंगली से. The tip of the fingers. You can feel no, not sideways. Only on the center. ये जो buttons का center है. Only on this. Center कहाँ है? क्या? ये इधर कहाँ जा रहा है?
Everyone feels that heart is on the left side.
That is right.
Heart is beneath the breastbone.
Heart is not on the left
सिर्फ समझाने के लिए दिल बाजू में रखते हैं।
ऐसे लिखा
Please be, just see, these are small things we have to. नीचे से जाके पहले notch, ये ऐसा घसो, देखो, see the hardness, feel the hardness with the tip of your finger. Okay?
Yes.
सेंटर किधर है? सीधे यार।
एटलीस्ट आपको
वो यहाँ पर रहा है, मालूम नहीं। आप लाइव को दिखाओ। Now see this.
फील करो एंड देन दिस इज द नॉच ओके
वो शर्ट ढीला है ना, ऐसा हो रहा है।
इसलिए आपने
Okay, चलो, okay. Now just 2 inches above the notch. Go. Above.
2 inches, 2
Approximate.
fingers space.
2 fingers, 3 fingers ऐसा. ये यहाँ पे this eminence will be pressing here. करो हाथ का ऐसा. बस समझे? This is the compression point. Compression only. कहाँ पे करोगे? Hard surface पे करोगे. बाजू में there are ribs. If you do this, they will. है ना? This is the only part we have. Luckily, the heart is beneath this.
This is exactly the center line of the 2 nipples.
So it is between the.
Between the 2 nipples and 2 finger space above the notch.
चलो यहाँ रखेंगे.
Okay? That's
Now we will see the compression. Just show the recoil of the chest.
so this is how you
चलो करो एक बार. If you are right-handed, right hand will be beneath.
your dominant
Below.
hand will be beneath.
If you are left-handed, the left-handed will be below. Okay? Now
and
just
this
show this.
is the part which will be on the center.
So this is known as eminence. Now she will just show the compression first. एक ही बार. And see how the chest recoils back. See the elasticity of the chest. You can see it is coming back on its own. Clear? That is very important to understand because पंप किया, ब्लड गया, छोड़ दिया तो अपने आप वापस आ गया, फिर पंप किया ऐसा. आया हमने? That. Now steps. First step is you clench your fingers, then you kneel down on the side. We will show it to you.
Just understand.
First, learn the steps.
Some important points to remember. Hands should be completely straight.
The elbows cannot be bent. Straight karo, straight. Fingers interlocked. Okay.
And we have to go over the person in the kneeling position. I'll show it to you.
We are standing up to the bed. So we are kneeling just next to the patient.
So this
Nice.
is a kneeling down position. Not like this. Vajrasan nahi. या ऐसा नहीं. या ऐसा नहीं. Straight. Why? Our spine should be straight. Because we have to not tire ourselves out. So our position is very important.
If I do this in this way, I will be getting tired within 3 minutes.
साइड से करो यार.
या फिर इधर आए.
मतलब
Come here.
पीछे जाओ पीछे.
नहीं तो वहां से चलिए.
Now see the thighs. The thighs should not be this way. The thighs should be vertical. Okay? Foot पीछे आराम से relax हो गया. Foot देखो. इनका भी foot देखो. Relaxed है. पूरा
Okay.
fingers interlocked. Yes, ma'am.
Now my shoulders, I will push my body in such a way that the line of axis of my shoulders will be in the line of the nose of the patient. And my hands are going to be straight, not bend at the elbow. For this position, right? Because in this position I will be comfortable. And the pressure that I am giving will be exactly at this center point only.
And it will be only by the wrist and hand
And
only,
only
not the whole body.
this eminence will be working. My body is not going to get tired, my back is not going to
Now,
get short.
now suppose I am like this. Just see it. She is the correct position. Be in the correct position.
Okay.
Now see my position. This is incorrect position. And if I do, इतना pressure नहीं आता है. And धीरे-धीरे मैं मस्त relax हो जाऊँगा. मुझे लग रहा है कि I am trying to stay alive, but it is not happening. I'll get tired within 3 to 4 minutes. Okay?
And how many times?
So now we are coming to that. We are coming. First, clear the. Everyone is clear on the position. Vapas repeat. You are standing beside the chest, either on this side or that side, no
You
matter.
can do from that side also.
ठीक है? There are 2 persons. The second person can be on the other side. Because you will be tired, then that person will take over. ठीक है, थर्ड पर्सन है तो वो अपने बाजू में रहेगा. So that I shift and he takes over.
Okay.
Now the position. Thighs are vertical and besides this, straight elbows 2 inches above the between the nipples.
Okay.
Clear, Radha? Everyone, yes or no?
Yes.
Now begin. Yes.
Now we will give moderate pressure like this, like how I showed you. The recoil should be just moderate enough. If you give too much pressure, it will break the bones. It will go inside. And too little will also not help. See, this is little. This is too much. So we have to give adequate pressure. Now this position will exactly allow us to give that pressure. And we have to count 30 into 5 cycles.
1, 2, 3,
After
30.
every 30, we take a little pause and say second cycle, third cycle, fourth cycle. So just listen to how I'm doing it.
You
Okay?
do the first 3 seconds.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30. Cycle 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20,
Easy नहीं है हाँ, easy नहीं है.
25, 26, 27, 28,
Save on life
29,
is not
30.
easy.
Cycle 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23.
अच्छा sorry. करो.
So this is how it happens.
30,
Why
30, 30, 30.
we get tired.
These 90 beats should happen within 1 minute. Then next 34th cycle, next 35th cycle, this completes 1 set. उसके बाद में unless there is a voice आ गया बीच में तो अलग बात है. नहीं तो just for a second pause, hello, check, no response, वापस 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 31 second cycle, third cycle. So it is not easy, but we are in a josh to save life, so it becomes easy. The only thing which will help is the correct position, otherwise you will feel miserable.
And you will get hurt, you will feel your hands are paining, your
समझे?
back is paining.
तो राइट पोजीशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो सिचुएशन में बराबर होता है, वो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है क्योंकि जोश आया हुआ रहता है, जान बचा रहेगा. समझे ना? तो गो ऑन डूइंग दिस. नाउ सपोज आई एम गेटिंग टायर्ड, तो बोलूंगा सर अरे अरुणिमा प्लीज हेल्प मी आउट. तो यू विल
So I'm doing it and I'm tired now.
तो ये आके शी विल बी जस्ट बिसाइड मी और अपोजिट मी एंड
Sir, please
इधर
help.
इधर. तो आई एम डूइंग दिस. नाउ शी इज बिसाइड्स मी. अरे डॉक्टर सुप्रिया मेरे को हेल्प करो यार प्लीज. शी इज रेडी विद द पोजीशन.
25, 30.
1
2, 3,
Cycle 1.
5.
I am telling a cycle 1.
Then I'm positioning myself and I'm continuing it. Okay? Got it? So that we can continue, do not tire ourselves. If there are 2 people, you can alternate.
So 3 cycles
30.
within 1 month.
1 minute.
minute.
3 नहीं, 5 होना चाहिए.
5 होना चाहिए. 1.5 minutes total. 1 minute.
First 3 cycles crucial.
Crucial. Clear हो गया?
How much time? कितने देर?
Now till what time we should do it? We should continue till there is a response. Response will be again those 3 things: groaning, some voice, some movement, some life, and
Some
breathing
response,
is-
या तो हाथ मिलेगा,
After every 5 cycles, you will check for
after every 5 seconds. 3 cycles का time is 1 minute.
After 5 seconds.
5 cycles का time is approximately 1 minute 15 seconds.
the general experience.
But ये
Revival
कब
happens
अगर आधे
how
घंटे
many
तक नहीं आया तो
General
नहीं
experience.
नहीं, depends totally on the cause, sir. Depending on the age of the body.
Maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30
It,
minutes.
it goes on for people have done resuscitation for 30 minutes superbly and saved lives.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, 30 minutes.
Yes, लोगों ने किया है. In the hospitals we do for 30 to 1 hour.
So where we say that we will revive after 30 minutes also.
Yes, yes. If it is perfectly done, there is a possibility.
No, where we
But
say
depends on the state of the body. मतलब disease कितना है, कौन सी reason से हुआ है, age क्या है, all these things count.
In hospital, you can't have machine for this.
We are having, what I mean to say, we do it for extended period of time. We don't give up. लेकिन we know cancer patient है, ये है, वो मैंने पूरा मैंने गड़बड़ हुआ है।
not at the hospital, you are outside.
मैंने we don't expect much from that person in terms of disease free life and old age भी आ गया, then we may not go for 35 minutes of observation.
So
We go only for
if you are doing it outside, you do it until the help
But
arrives.
till the time someone takes over from your thing as CPR and things are moving ahead.
So if the help comes, ambulance will
So now
but if your untrained ambulance comes or whatever,
and you have to continue. You have to continue. If there is no doctor inside, after चालू ambulance, rotary club का ambulance आ जाए, which has nothing inside.
Pray to God that somebody
It
comes.
is not a cardiac ambulance. What I mean to say.
Yeah, I remember 108 is a cardiac ambulance ambulance.
But suppose समझो रवि ने बीच में देख लिया और उसने बाजू वाले ambulance को बुला दी,
हाँ,
हो गया? तो
Yeah,
भी-
car-
तो you have to continue this in the ambulance.
ये कोई कार में उठा के कई बार गिर गया तो उठा
कार में चालू रखो फिर, लेकिन पॉसिबल कम हो जाएगा।
लेकिन कार में लेके जाना और CPR करना।
Then it is less likely that
So it is not advisable
Not
to carry such patient in anything other than ambulance.
if all the three criteria are pronouncing the death of the patient.
So basically, you have to see that you can do it till the person starts responding. That's why I said response is what is important. It can
Response
be
in the form of
in the form of sound, in the form of breathing,
Movement.
in the form of movement.
Some sign of life.
life.
Yeah, some sign of.
अब जैसी लाइफ की साइन आती है, what to do? What to do is you have to turn the patient on the lateral side. Now suppose I have got okay. Now I have
I've done the CPR, he has responded. Now I will turn him on the left side. Okay. And try to keep the leg folded.
This is the
and
position.
This leg straight. Okay.
Clear?
And अगर हो सके तो ये हाथ भी लगा. Generally ये सब फटाफट नहीं होता है, but at least turn him on one side.
Now-
Even this right side is also okay.
What is the benefit of
Yeah, the
Next
reason
position.
for this is that when you're pressing, you're compressing, you're putting pressure even in the abdominal organs. The stomach is there. We don't know whether the patient has eaten anything, but normal secretions भी रहता है stomach में. So when you resuscitate the patient, those secretions tend to come out. So when you put him in the lateral position, the secretions they drop off from the side of the mouth and they don't choke the patient. And if the patient is on the back, then the tongue tends to go behind. So that puts the pressure on the airway again, plus the secretion. Both those things can cause more choking.
So
and
basically it is
it's
to avoid
again
choking.
causing-
This is the best position. Any unconscious patient, even if alive,
Even if alive.
suppose I am unconscious here suddenly and I am alive, you have to turn me in this position. ये ख्याल रखना basic है. That will help you to prevent vomiting accumulating here, causing choking. Clear? And then wait for the help. So you continue, Ravi, till the time response is there, till the time help arrives, and till the time you are ready to give up now. There is no option. You थक गए finally, क्या करेंगे? है ना? और 15-20 मिनट के बाद में दिख जाता है कि लाइफ है ही नहीं. टोटली एंड यू फील कि भाई हेल्प ही नहीं है.
दोनों चीज कर सकते हैं ना, मतलब अगर एक 10 बार वो किया and then फिर उसको गर्दन ऊपर उठा के then you can
Because when you're
करते हैं तो फाइन. You don't think in this way कि माउथ टू माउथ नहीं कि इसमें बच्चे नहीं. No.
नहीं, मतलब ये कैसे है कि जैसे
Only this much is sufficient to save life.
कंटिन्यू हम कर रहे हैं तो थक जाते हैं.
तो इसमें फायदा नहीं है ना एडिशनल. You are missing those beats ना.
Yeah, you're
और
missing.
5 मिनट्स में अगर ये करता हो 5 सेकंड्स का तो ब्लड सप्लाई बंद किया ना मैंने. वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है than this.
बंद हो गई. Break it हो गया.
समझ गए? So important is the blood supply to this. So see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Cycle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. This is the way. माने पता नहीं ले बता. Now the position is in that. If I do this, तो होएगा नहीं कुछ नहीं. Fine, done then.
So body weight has to come.
Over it. Over it.
Grounding
It's not the body weight, the pressure that is adequate is in that position.
Again the three signs: response, breathing, and movements.
So I mean, just about the
That is only by these things. माने इस ये लेवल
Visible signs of
लेवल पे हॉस्पिटल में अलग क्राइटेरिया आता है.
sir, what about the pulse?
नहीं वो लेमैन को समझता नहीं है और क्या होता है ना हार्ट का बीटिंग अगर कम है यहाँ तक पल्स पहुंची नहीं तो यू मिस डायग्नोसिस
Is there just hypothetically, is it possible that my heart is pumping, it's working, but so little that my breathing has stopped?
नो
It's something which has stopped my breathing, but still my heart is.
ब्रीथिंग विल स्टॉप फर्स्ट हार्ट कैन कंटिन्यू ओके
Heart can continue.
इट इज जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ फ्यू सेकंड्स हियर एंड देयर दैट्स ऑल
That's exactly.
Yeah.
So breathing has stopped. Heart is beating.
No, no,
but
it
still
will,
I'm-
it will not be like a good 50 seconds का टाइम है ऐसा होता नहीं
Okay.
हाँ
So just one clarity. You said something, I think I don't want that to be missed out. You are not supposed to put your body weight
No.
on it. You are
It's
supposed
not-
to just
it is not putting your body weight but I am over the patient
Using your body.
my shoulder is
Using
over
your body
Using-
position.
Sure.
using your
You're
See this.
putting the adequate pressure that is required to resuscitate the
my shoulder is over the body so that my weight and compression happens only with my hand
स्ट्रेंथ करना है तो उसमें नहीं करना
अगर मैं ऐसा करूंगा ना तो होएगा नहीं ये पूरा ऐसा करेगा मतलब
अब आप
क्या
करोगे,
अब क्या हुआ?
देख लो, क्या
है ना ऐसा करो आप तब क्या होगा विद इन 3 minutes क्लियर चल नाउ वी विल ये लैटरल पोजीशन हो गया क्विकली बच्चों का बता देते हैं देयर आर 2 काइंड्स ऑफ किड्स नाउ वन इज अ किड व्हिच इज 1.5 years एंड लेस छोटा सा बेबी है तो छोटा सा बेबी है बेटा so छोटा सा if there is a small baby you can lift him and keep it in hand again the criteria is same suddenly the baby's movement is stopped suddenly the crying has stopped and there is no voice or anything there is no movement of the body limb total गिरना and babies में you can easily judge ये तो मेथड है ही बट दिखता भी है कि भाई रेस्पिरेशन बंद हो गया once you see this do all the thing हेलो बच्चा बच्चा जो भी है ये सब करके कर लिया नहीं है confirm that lift the baby head down ऐसा this is the position क्योंकि चेस्ट के अराउंड आ सकता है पूरा हाथ
The rib cage is very delicate, so we have to give delicate.
तो press bone पे only the thumb is coming
The thumbs will be on that area.
thumb भी आ रहा है
Pressure.
and now compress on the
And then you
with the
can
thumb because it is so delicate
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
This cycle is only of 15.
13, 14, 15. Cycle 2. 1,
15 15 same बाकी everything is same
6, 7, 8.
clear yes or no
Yes.
yes now suppose the child is older child 10 years 15 years where he is adult kind of child but not so well formed bones same thing will be there but only with one hand position will be same shoulder will be same and 30 30 30 30
Left hand.
No, no, your dominant hand.
But only one.
if you are lefty then left
the pressure is only 50%.
Yeah.
because the bone is not so
You have to judge because sometimes the 15-year-old can be a tall person.
हाँ ऐसा build up solid है तो
Someone
look में use
between 8 years to 12 years would
In
be
case
that
of
category.
elderly, the bones are generally weak.
Yeah, if you find him very frail and you can feel कि इससे मैं कर सकता हूँ तो one hand.
One hand.
लेकिन
So the
let's say
cycles is 1 to 30.
30 fixed, except in babies.
Babies it's 15. Count
Now last thing we
This is such.
नहीं बोलिए please.
If the patient is at home on oxygen or whatever, elderly patient at home or suddenly collapses, this is system.
You find it there.
So in that case, same process.
Same, but you will not do it on the bed.
We will have to pull it down.
You bed के ऊपर नरम है ना, compression आएगा नहीं. Okay, last thing is
I just have a question.
yeah,
Are generally all nurses, who even come home for pregnant, are they trained?
not necessary,
They're not trained.
not necessary.
So we're actually replicating the blood.
Yes.
Replicating from
Within the golden time. Okay. Now last thing is suppose there is you eat something sometimes हंसी मजाक कर रहा है डाइनिंग टेबल पे otherwise you are to and there is है ना so कई बार ठसका लगता है ना and that is how we do and is it choking अभी जो किया हमने it is not choking now this is choking दोनों में डिफरेंस था आगे what happens.
This is one way.
This is one. This is one.
This we call
यहाँ पे अटका हुआ है. बोलते हैं ना अरे यार अटक रहा है.
एक इंटरमीडिएट है, एक कंटिन्यूअस है.
एक और grabbing and then एक
हाँ. Choking means blocking of the airway, the food pipe, windpipe with something, causing choking, causing narrowing of the outlet, inlet. So the sign which is there is this.
catch
ये बाकी हो गया मेरा अटक गया. This is all. ये आपका कितने बार हो चुका है सब, है ना? Choking में ये हाथ इधर आता ही है. That is diagnostic. अरे ये अटक गया इसका. हाथ आ गया मतलब इमरजेंसी आ गई. ये बहुत ही सिंपल चीज है लेकिन लाइफ में कब आया किसकी जिंदगी में आएगा मालूम नहीं. तो ये अगर आता है, ये अगर आता है तो साले को दू क्या पूरा वस्तु हाइटिंग खा देता.
पोजीशनिंग देखो.
दो तीन लोग मेरा दवा ले बोले. अब ये करके बताओ. थोड़ा धीरे भी करते कई बार लोग.
हाथ आ गया.
और हाथ आ गया. समझ गए? कई बार ऐसा पूछेगा तो he may look a bit normal kind of behavior also. ऐसा नहीं. Of course, parting of eyes वगैरह ये सब होएगा. But this hand will come. Now here I have to do a Heimlich maneuver. H-E-I-M-L-E-S-C-H. Heimlich maneuver. मतलब क्या है? Maneuver is कि ये विंग पाइप है. चलो हाथ लगा ऐसा करो सब. और यहाँ पे देखो एक रिब्ड पाइप है. जो मोटे लोग हैं उनको भी फील होगा थोड़ा दबाना पड़ेगा. मुझे भी. मेरा तो दिखेगा भी. This is the wind pipe. ट्रकिया.
That's why he
उसके ऊपर there is a narrowing. वहाँ पे वो ब्लॉक होता है. Because of maybe chana, whatever it is, जो भी है. Okay. Now this is locking here. So what I am trying to do, the Heimlich maneuver is, I will give a pressure in the opposite direction on the upper abdomen. ये pressure ऐसा जाएगा उसको dislodge करें. That is the funda. Clear? So मैं again go on the upper abdomen. Notch perfect करो. उसके थोड़ा नीचे जाओ. ये part है. Okay? Above the umbilicus. Same. यहाँ पे लॉकिंग वॉकिंग की जरूरत नहीं करना है, कर सकते हो जैसा भी. बट ये पार्ट ऑन दिस. और अभी मैं इसको करूंगा नहीं जर्क, लेकिन मतलब करो कर सकते.
बड़ा इतनी बार है.
एंड बड़ा तो एक has to be a झटका.
one time.
एक ही बार. फिर नहीं देखो
देखना.
रिलीफ कैसा समझेगा. His hand goes up. बस.
ओके. करने के लिए क्वेश्चन अगर मान लीजिए ऐसा सिचुएशन आया कि कोई देख नहीं रहा है, कोई नोटिस नहीं कर रहा है, क्या है तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि अपना सिर को ही पटकूं.
हाँ उसका जो सोचा करो. नहीं होता नहीं, उससे नहीं होता है नॉर्मल. Somebody has to give a counter pressure.
एक बार मेरे साथ ऐसा
So
हुआ.
you can do it on your own. Last desperate situation is you can do it on your own.
ओके.
ठीक है.
Generally, the feet पे थपथप आते हैं
वो बच्चों में बड़ों में भी करते हैं, बच्चों में इजी है.
वो भी that
I was just
works.
waiting after question. हाँ.
पेशेंट को आगे झुका हुआ
हाँ.
रखिए. हाँ, ताकि स्ट्रेट पोजीशन पे
Straight.
जो अटका है वो नीचे.
You are behind full control. अरे are you getting it? You are giving a thrust so that the pressure goes up. बस. छोटा सा चीज़ है dislodge हो जाना चाहिए. That is the whole funda. That is the only desperate thing we can do. अरे इसमें तो कितने लाइन है? कितने लाइन? बहुत.
बच्चों में एक सिचुएशन आती है where they gasp रोते वक्त कई बार या
बच्चों में
gasping होता है.
ब्रेथ होल्डिंग.
Breath holding. That is still 5 years of age.
हाँ.
Usually they outgrow.
These techniques are not to be.
That is a panic situation, but you need to confirm this thing with your pediatrician.
होममेड रेमेडीज कान में फूंकना जोर से. एक become
Chalo, now we'll start with the CRS. We have two dummies. Half of you join here. आधे लोग इधर आइए. चलो चप्पल खोल दो थोड़ा और आ जाओ.
बिल्कुल लाइव करना है.
सबको करा रहे हैं, सबको करा रहे हैं.
So we will begin with
फिर प्रेसिडेंट का पहले एक शूटिंग हो जाए. कुछ भी नहीं है. मूवमेंट भी बिल्कुल नहीं है.
body movement नहीं है, breathing है.
No breath. He is mostly guided. Okay. फिर हाँ.
No, you have to call.
किसको नाम बोलो?
Please call Dr. immediately.
नहीं, डॉक्टर नहीं. Please call 108. Tell 40 साल का आदमी है. अरे उनको पूरा बता दो. उनको यहाँ पे है. और बता के रखना. और तब तक मैं हम 3 लोग हैं जो CPR दे रहे हैं. बोलो
3 लोग हैं.
ऐसा बोलो.
यहाँ पे एक आदमी गिरा पड़ा है. Send help urgently. Exactly first gate के बाहर है. और वो लोग जब तक आपको ना बोले तब तक आप
क्या नहीं है. नॉट इन पोजीशन येट. बॉडी वर्टिकल. अच्छा
हेलो, यहाँ पे ये अराउंड 35 ईयर ओल्ड है.
हेलो,
को कॉल करो.
108.
प्लीज कॉल. प्लीज कॉल 108. यहाँ पे एक बंदा गिरा हुआ है. अराउंड 40 ईयर ओल्ड है. फास्टर. मेरे को कॉल करो. बताओ. उनको पूरा एड्रेस दे दो. वो जब तक आपको पूरा क्वेश्चन देके रेडी रहो. वो तो यही पे है ना. क्वेश्चन देके लेके. तो ये अभी आपने ये कहो कि इस स्टेट के रोडास के प्रभाव में है. उनको ये भी बताओ. अभी थोड़ा ऐसा बोलते नहीं. तब तक कॉल रखने को बोलते नहीं. तब तक आप कॉल रखो नहीं. वैसा नहीं के बाद ही रखो. ठीक है. ये स्क्रिप्ट रखो.
अभी मैं अकेला हूँ तो जल्दी भेजने को बोलो. या फिर मैं 2 लोग ही हैं तो हम लोग
अभी करके देखो. ये वर्टिकल क्या शुरू कर. लीगल मैसेज है स्कूल में. वैसा. ये देखो सिर्फ मैं अब करो. आप झुको.
kneeling down करें. Shoulder.
This is best.
should come in the line of the nose also.
Yes or no?
You can see under it is what is more. Now, have you seen the position?
साइकिल 1 बोलिए. साइकिल 1 बोलिए.
Now, cycle 1, 7, 8. Now, say loudly. Again, see now he's going back. So that
ये गलती क्या हो रही है? फास्ट में हो गया. आप देखो फर्क.
Your head should go beyond the body.
बेटा
Then your position is correct.
साइकिल 3. अब देखो बोलो. राइट हैंडेड नॉट. राइट हैंडेड. राइट हैंड. नहीं छोड़ने का नहीं है. जस्ट नॉट द बिल्डिंग. तो आप बोलो रेडी हो. रेडी. कीप रेडी प्लीज. आप यहाँ पे हाथ लाओ. आगे आ जाओ. आगे आओ. कंटिन्यू. चलो. सायकल बोलो. सायकल बोलो. सायकल बोलो. असं पहिल्या ह्याच्यात तर जाणवत असते असलेलं सगळं.
Now somebody else
This thing is panic.
That is why she made me do it. Na? She panics.
See, the best way is that your head should come beyond the patient.
वापस
Only then you know that you are
Position.
over the patient. You will be over the patient. Now,
Bend.
these are the shoulders. Correct? These should be parallel.
Is it good? No.
Okay.
But
Now,
this is best.
Right?
No?
This is your count.
This is better.
1, 6, 7, 8.
This is best. Right? फर्क आया?
I'll come from here and take it. Sit, sit.
तकलीफ करो. बोलो मैं बोलो.
We'll go and train.
हाँ.
See, now you do the next cycle. He get exhausted and call for help.
Continue. हाँ.
Come.
बोलो. Take over. Go.
Take over.
हाँ.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sit down. Make yourself in position.
Now you're going behind. See, you're going behind. This is not what I thought.
सेंटर नहीं.
See your position.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Say loudly, say loudly. See, his position is correct. See, his position is correct.
अभी ये थोड़ा रिलैक्स करो. आप करके देखो. Is it the same? No. This is better. ऐसा कैसा? ये
Now
this is
just
better.
go little behind and try to do it. See that.
थोड़ा
I'm
पीछे.
just making you do it so
नहीं
you know how.
प्लीज यहीं करो.
So, आप
Relax करो.
और pressure
हाँ,
पे
करके
नहीं
देखो.
जाना है. देखा ना? So the position is very important.
And your back will be
That's why
straight.
I'm telling
Right?
everyone.
Come on. There you go. Complete.
The idea is
Anyway, finish this.
इतना you cannot stop there.
So I have a question. If it is an accident,
You don't know whether he's injured and all.
yeah, मतलब they say that उसका bones वगैरह हिलाना नहीं चाहिए.
अगर response बिल्कुल ही नहीं है, then you will forget everything else and just get him to breathe.
Do's and don'ts are
And circulation is very good.
where there could be multiple.
Bleeding and
But first thing is to prevent.
मतलब even if he is bleeding and all that, he getting tired, head injury,
Yeah. No, you are just here.
सामने और यहाँ पे
If you look at the dummy, you can actually see that the effect is going.
बस के जाओ एक बड़ा साइकिल बोलो खत्म हो जाएगा बच्चा को जाएगा हाँ एक गलती हो गई समझेगे नहीं और क्या तो क्या करेंगे कंटिन्यू
That is why
आगे
position is now.
आगे आगे
Right?
ओवर कर
Now you are
शोल्डर ऑन दिस
do it and see when you know.
पोजीशन
Now you know.
इतना स्लो नहीं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ओए
You start.
आगे पास में
She's going to
आगे पास
और आप ये करोड़ा में है your head is
you
up.
fall. Now
Yeah. हेलो फिर इधर आ रहा सुन सकते हैं सांस पीने चाहिए कोई ऊपर भी नहीं है आप ऐसा करो इधर आओ एक फोन कॉल करो 108 नंबर पे हम लोग यहाँ हीरानंदन स्टेट मेन गेट पे है ये यहाँ पर गिर गए उनको बोलो कि जल्दी एम्बुलेंस लेके आ जाओ और 30-35 इयर्स का आदमी है उनको हेल्प की जरूरत है आप जल्दी आ जाओ और
मैं अकेला हूँ.
हाँ मैं यहाँ पर अकेला हूँ प्लीज आप जल्दी आ जाओ और जब तक वो न कहे कि सब कुछ उसको समझ गया तब तक फोन बंद मत करना उसका सब सुन लेना फिर फोन मत करना मैं अभी
साइकिल कितना हुआ साइकिल बोल और सीधा ये और सीधा
now go behind and उनको लेके आए.
पोजीशन
Do your body has a flexion. Then only
बोलो लॉन्गली बोलो
So when you position yourself like this, only this movement happens. And you are also not
1 2 3 4 straight straight very good आप देख मत आया फर्क देखो करके on this and position continue you have to continue follow position यहाँ पे और आप देखो आ जाओ straight करो ऐसा और आप देखो फर्क
That is the
Great experience, isn't it? Thank you so much. Quickly now we'll distribute the citations, the TRF pins. Some were received last year in excellent year, and a few of them are for this year. So I'll quickly, Dr. Lavi Kassan, if you can just give away these certificates, you being such a prominent personality, I think they will love receiving it from you. Ravi Shankar, अरे टाइम तुमको नहीं मालूम है इसको देना है अच्छा सर request Rishi to come.
Thank you.
This is one red store. Thank you, Rishi.
बढ़िया
Anil Raichu. Anil Raichu is PHF 4 plus 4.
Hey, wait.
There are these also categories. Then there is a district citation for Dr. Namrata Srivastava, she is not here. Ravi Shankar for district Shukriya. Then there is Amit Rajesh and Alpha Modi is also there not here. Dilip Agarwal is there. You all are aware that we have been contributing towards Diksha Mitra and TV. Dilip Agarwal ji, if you can come forward and get your certificate. Again we missed it. Anil Raichu ji, your certificate for Diksha Mitra is here. And can I request Ashok Babri ji also to come? Okay. So I think that's about it. Thank you so much, Dr. Lavi.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you, President, for this opportunity. First of all, we would like to thank Dr. Lavi and Dr. Surya. This is not the first time we were going through the session, but this was the best of the sessions.
Yes, indeed.
I could not really thank enough to both of you for getting us hands-on to do that. And not only that, you explained why it has to be done, and the most important, it has to be done on a dead person only, not on the live one. Maybe this is the third session I am attending. Maybe that's something which I didn't really catch today. I'm not too sure whether they had told us that, earlier or not. But this has been a very, very fruitful session. And if you could save one life, I think we have made it. So I think we all will thank you, both of you, for having given us this opportunity to do this.
Token of appreciation.
Thank you for the opportunity. You all called us and so we could.
Thank you for coming over.
And would like to thank others also, as Dr. President is there, and other doctors and the spouses who would come. And I'm sure the spouses will save the lives of the Rotarians by doing this. And thank you very much for the food. Thank you very much for the photographer to be around. Thank you.
Those are childs.
हाँ, today we got छोटा नोट बड़ा नोट
On 3rd September, we also celebrated birthday of Karan, son of Tulso and Sonia Thakurani. September 5th, we celebrated birthday of Sangeeta, spouse of Manoj Harisanani. September 6th, we celebrated birthday of Mohit Agarwal and Baljeet Kaur. September 9th, the birthday of Mathura, spouse of Dharmendra Acharya was celebrated. September 10th, birthday of Natasha Shetty. Anniversary of Kumar and Srija Nair was also celebrated on 10th of September. September 11th, the birthday of Abhilash, son of Shankar and Veena Mohan was celebrated. September 13th, birthday of Umesh Tandon, birthday of Akansha, spouse of Mohit Agarwal. and anniversary of Rama and Sankat Kumar. So that was the celebrations up till now in September. And at the end of September, we will definitely cutting a cake for all those September ones. So be there on 22nd and anniversary. Thank you so much. Attendance today, total 25 members, including members, kids, road and some kids also here. Thank you so much. 2 district personalities we had today. Thank you so much, Dr. Lucky Prasad and Sophia Lal for being here. Thank you so much.
We also had one prospect, Baljeet, but I think he's left. I would, would have called him for a minute intro, but he's left already. But the experience has been very good, is what he communicated. All right, so now I'll end the meeting. Meeting adjourned.
Hip hooray! Hip hooray! I thought we'll count 1 to 30.